Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on Bitcoin just 9 days ago, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $91,309. And we were at this very point, and right here my main assumption was that we have to complete the fifth wave on the smallest scale at around $100 mark, and then we have to see a pullback to complete the bottom of the fourth wave on a slightly bigger scale. And guys, take a look right here. This is the same video that I made 9 days ago. But the timestamp is a little bit different, 9 minutes 10 seconds, and previous timestamp was 11 minutes 15 seconds. And here you can see the smaller price action without the major wave, and you can see it clearly that we had to see movement to the upside at around $100,000, and then we have to see a pullback. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point at around $91,000, and here is the movement to the upside that completed fifth wave on the smaller scale, and we almost hit $100,000 mark. And then, guys, guess what? We have a retracement. And this is basically another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account. And guys, there is a Black Friday sale right now, and for $17.5 for the first month, you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer right now. For now, there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value with the discount of $225 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $17.5 a month. And to be honest, it is just 50 cents a day. I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, let's take a look again at its price action. I have to say that we've unloaded the majority of indicators. We've already unloaded the majority of indicators, but some of them also shows us quite interesting details. And in just several minutes, I will explain you where we might land and how this asset might hit and when it might hit its crucial levels in order to accumulate even more to catch its next movement to the upside. But for now, let's take a look at the general sentiment of the crypto market. So the global crypto market cap for now is $3.19 trillion. It is lower than it was previously by 5.19%, and pretty much all of the cryptos are in red during the last 24 hours. As you can see, we don't have any green numbers right here for the top 20 coins, at least for top 20 coins. And I have to say that it is a very healthy correction, and if you know how the market works, you have to realize that everything that goes up should go down, and depending on the trend, we should unload the price, we should unload its overbought condition in order to have more steam to hit higher targets. And guys, to be honest, I don't care about the news that was the reason for Bitcoin to go lower from its $100,000 mark to about 92. Its lowest point was hit right here at about 92.2 or somewhere here. It doesn't matter. All the news are just part of its behavior. The most important for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is the technical analysis. And because of this knowledge, you can definitely be consistently profitable. And guys, for now, we have the first major pivot point that potentially might lead us to the ranges where we might reaccumulate the position. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you in details this movement to the upside. And you know that we have waves inside the waves inside the waves. And let me show you some theory we have 5 waves in the motive wave to the upside, and each and every wave should have the 5 wave structure on it right here. And each and every wave on a minor scale also should have 5 waves in it, and that is how we can waves inside the waves inside the waves. And 5 waves on a smaller scale, as you can see right here, is only 1 wave on a bigger scale. And this 1 wave, let's delete these tools, this 1 wave should be unloaded, and we have first wave is right here, second wave is right here, third wave is right here, and from this bottom, from the bottom of its from its beginning, we can pull the fib retracement tool to this top, and these ranges might be the ranges of support for Bitcoin where it might have a trend reversal. Guys, to be honest, 0.236 level at $91.798 is the range with the probability of about 10 to 15% to have a trend reversal. Most likely we might see a bounce out of 0.382, and in worst case scenario even lower. But guys, with its bullishness, with the bullish sentiment that is surrounding crypto industry, I think we might have some reaction out of 0.236, because again, let me show you some theory. 5 waves to the upside, and then we have to see the retracement. In most common scenario, we might have 3 waves to the downside, and each and every 5 waves follows by the 3 waves to the downside. And again, we have waves inside the waves inside the waves. So let me delete all of these tools, and we have from this top we have only the contender to be the first A wave, and this means we might have a reaction out of 0.236. Then I don't think that we might have a next leg to the upside that will break $100,000, but instead of this we might have another leg to the downside that potentially will land at around $97,000. Why I think so, guys? Let's take a look at this price action that happened from November 11th till November 17th. We have a lot of price actions in between let's say 92 and $87,000, and this might also be the range of control for the people who will re-enter their long position and who will close their short position. And definitely we have a lot of shorts right here. If you take a look on this chart, it is the BTC shorts on 3 hours on Bitfinex stock exchange, and right after this asset, as you can see, right after Bitcoin went lower, the shorts started to close their position. But for now we have another increase in this number. That is why potentially another leg is on the table. So guys, what should you do next if you want to re-enter your long position, or if you want to add to your long and medium-term long position? Definitely wait for this type of structure, for the ABC structure, and when this asset breaks its previous pivot point, the bottom of the A wave, when it goes first of all to the B point, and then again movement to the downside. In this breakout, you will have to be extremely cautious, because we might not have the range of about $97,000, $87,000 as the range of support. We might have a trend reversal anywhere in between, let's say, $91,000 and $87,000, and here is the range where you should reaccumulate your position. Wait a second, where is the drawing tool that I need? It is rectangle right here. This is the range where you should ladder your buys down in order to catch its next movement. And the next movement, guys, will be the top of the 5th wave on a slightly bigger scale, and again, it will not be the end. Take a look on its bigger picture, and let me show you that we might have several legs to the upside that potentially might hit up to $200,000, and with the extension in the 5th wave, we might hit even $250,000 by the end of 2025. But guys, for now it is too early to make these assumptions. I prefer to do one step at a time. And the next step is following. We have to see a little bit lower price action. And guys, I might be totally wrong, but this type of movements is the perfect opportunity to re-enter your long position and to be consistently in the green territory. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.